I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks from mud. Start with the right soil. A blend of about 70% clay and 30% sand works best. You'll also need fibrous materials like straw or dried grass to add strength and prevent cracking. Don't forget a reliable water source and a large, durable container for mixing. Finally, a simple wooden mold, perhaps 10 inches by 5 inches by 3 inches, will help you create uniform bricks. Now let's mix. Combine your soil, water, and fibrous material in your container. The goal is a thick, consistent paste, similar to a very stiff dough. Add water slowly, ensuring the mixture is pliable but not soupy. Incorporate the straw or grass evenly. It acts like rebar in concrete, providing crucial tensile strength. Mix for at least 15 minutes to ensure everything is fully integrated. With your mixture ready, it's time to mold. Lightly dampen the inside of your wooden mold to prevent sticking. Scoop a generous amount of mud and firmly press it into the mold, ensuring every corner is completely filled. Level the top surface with a straight edge or your hand. Then, carefully lift the mold straight up, leaving your perfectly formed mud brick on a flat, prepared surface. The final step is drying and curing. Carefully place your newly formed bricks in a sunny, well-ventilated spot, ideally on a level surface. Allow them to dry slowly and evenly for at least 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your climate. Turn them every few days to ensure all sides are exposed to the air. Protect them from rain or heavy dew during this crucial curing period to prevent cracking or disintegration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.